What you can see here is a standard Airsoft GBB rifle. This particular model is a WE Sky. And this is the magazine. It came with a green gas magazine, but right now I'm using CO2. You open this plug and you put a 12 gram CO2 cartridge inside it. It cost me €1 for every cartridge. And every cartridge lasts around 50 BBs. And this magazine here only holds 30 rounds, around that. And this one here is the AEG high cap. It holds 360 rounds and it's only €6. So it would be nice if I can combine these two magazines, having the capacity of this one, also the economy of using compressed air. Also this bottle will last much more than just 50 rounds. So in this video I'm going to show you a way of combining these two magazines into just one that will give you more than 300 rounds, also much more durable power supply. Compress. For the setup, we open it up. There's a screw here. Just remove the screw. Push the magazine out. This is what you get. Here is where the BB stays. Here is a CO2 cartridge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this magazine around here. Here are two expansion chambers. I'm going to keep one so I can put a threading on it. I will show it later. So this is the internal of the gas mag. Now the high cap. Remove it. There's some clip around here. Open it up. This is a high cap. What we're going to do next is we measure the length of them both, cut the up portion of the high cap and align it with the gas magazine. So now I have removed the spring that pushes the BB. Open this expansion chamber here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a milling machine and take an end mill to cut this through smoothly. So this is not the correct way to mounting this for the milling, but it's pretty secured, pretty tough, and it's just aluminum and plastic, so if I go slow I think it will be okay. So now I have finished milling this unit. You can do this easily with a handsaw. I just went with the milling, so it's less effort, also left a better surface, better finish. Now this unit you can use it for something else. It still accepts the sealed cartridge, and here is the input. It's also it holds BBs right here. Still have the. Then you take the milled out part. Use a 9mm drill or 8.5mm. Drill out this hole. Now it's a 9mm hole around here. Now we're going to tap a 1/8" BSP threading around here. When you tap it, keep this downwards so the little piece of metal won't get into the valve. Okay. Now we're going to epoxy a piece here. So you can see now I put on this 1/8" push to connect fitting. It allows me to connect a 6mm hydraulic pipe, which later will be connected to a paintable quick connection. Now I already have this epoxy almost cured. I have both pieces. Fits, still the same place, everything right. Now it's time to cut the upper portion. So, place this in. Here has a screw for the gas mag, not the same as this one. So this will be stopped around here, in this height. Push this out, put it around here, and you can see we have to cut it about here on this height. You can cut a little bit more, a few millimeters, won't matter much, because this will be secured inside and this will be the upper portion. As soon as the space between them is less than the diameter of a BB, this will work. So after cutting it, I already mounted this in. Here is the wheel. I can easily turn this. Okay, I'm going to remove this, let you see. A little bit tough because they are not made by the same manufacturer. And get it in wasn't very difficult, but getting it out is the problem isn't the size, it's some part like this one here was slightly larger. I had to file it, same as here. Maybe I have to file it a little bit more to fit it inside. But the tight fit is actually quite good, so I don't need to glue anything inside here. Alright, like this. And this part I probably have to cut it out to fit the push to connect fitting. But in the front it's quite good. So I ended up cutting the entire thing out. It's just there occupying space for fitting BBs anyway, and I will later have to drill a hole here to let the air tube pass. Okay, checking the fitting now. Still very tight, but guess it's okay. Okay, right here is like either. One of the problem is also because this one is longer than AG. That also gives out another possibility is you can fit the valve block permanently inside your gun and directly use a AEG high cap. But that will make your gun impossible to go back to use gas magazines. Also, some very difficult mulling operations will have to be done inside the gun. So it ended up being very difficult and not accessible to everybody. Okay, so you can see now, everything fits. We now have a high cap ability with a gas lock. Now drill the hole for the tubes to come out. Also a place where I can load it. So we are all done here. This is a new high cap gas magazine. Open this plate and wind the high cap. Push the upper portion out to refill it with BB. Very simple. This tube, the hydraulic pipe, keeps everything from falling apart. The only downside of this is the bolt catch no longer works because the thing that pushes BB is missing, but now you have 300 rounds, before was 30. So just put it in, connect it to a paintball tank. The next video I'm going to take this setup to Airsoft skirmish and show you the full potential.